Carving this teen booty holes with Switchblade is just so relaxing. It's my favorite gun for reason. 1 second late and boom, your monkey ass lay on ground like Mia Khalifa. As a wise gentleman says one time, some nuts are just easy to crack. Bozo think he have chance, ha ha ha.
Enemy inside. Top down. Contact with enemy. Reloading. Enemy down.
Sentry down, ready to deploy.
Reloading. Cover me. Enemy contact.
XS-1 Goliath is ready.
He have sniper, but Bozo switched to secondary. If it's a bot I would be showing my ass on ground because they've built different with aimbot, but it is human with small nuts.